Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. This process is useful if you want to create a public presence for a business, brand, or public figure, separate from your personal profile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook on your web browser. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon. On most devices, this icon is located at the bottom right corner of the app or browser window. From the menu, scroll down and look for the Help and Support and then select Help Center. Tap on it to open Facebook's support resources. This is where you can find answers to many common questions about using Facebook. In the Help Center, you'll see a search bar. In the search bar, type Create a Page. After typing, you'll see a list of options related to creating and managing pages. Select the first option, which usually explains how to create a Facebook page. The instructions will tell you to tap on the menu button again, then look for Pages. Tap on Pages and you'll see an option to Create a Page. Tap on Create Page to begin the process. Now, you'll be guided through the page creation steps. The first thing you need to do is give your page a name. It's a good idea to use a name that reflects your personal profile or the purpose of the page. For example, if you're converting your profile to a business page, use the name of your business. After you've entered the name, tap Next to move on. Facebook will now ask you to select a category for your page. Categories help people find your page more easily. Choose a category that closely matches your profile or the purpose of the page. For instance, if your profile was focused on photography, you might select Photographer or Art as your category. Once you've selected a category, tap Next again. You may be asked to provide additional details, such as a description or contact information. These steps are optional, but filling them out can make your page look more professional and complete. After entering the necessary details, tap Finish, and Facebook will create your page. Depending on your settings, Facebook might automatically import some information from your profile, like your profile picture and cover photo. You can customize these later if needed. Once your page is created, you'll be redirected to the page's main dashboard. From here, you can start adding posts, inviting friends to like your page, and managing your content. It's also a good idea to explore the settings to adjust privacy, notifications, and other preferences. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Facebook profile into a page. Now you have a dedicated space to grow your brand or public presence while keeping your personal profile separate. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.